help you?
Hi, how are you today?
Good, and you?
Good. Hey, I got a really weird question for you. I was told to call you today, but did you guys happen to find a drone lately in the last couple of
Uh,
days?
was it your own?
Yeah, personal drone.
Okay. Okay, and what date range do you think you may have lost it?
Day before yesterday.
Okay.
It was near Lowe's parking lot.
Let's look and see if anything like that's come in.
Off of Milwaukee.
No, I don't see anything like that has come into us.
Okay. All right. So I guess it's gone forever. Oh well, live and learn. All right.
All right. Sorry about that. Good luck. I still hope you get it back.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Bye bye.
Okay, so we're gonna do Drone Wars number 2. There's mine. It's still working. I still haven't broke it yet. Um, RIP drone number 1. Ron lost his drone, but that's okay. He bought a new one. You gonna name it? You gonna give it a name? He's just adding all the stuff to it. So this will be the maiden flight of it. So yeah, more coming. So Ron's new drone comes with a helicopter landing pad, and he thinks he's all Billy Badass and he's going to be able to do it. Let's see what happens here. Let me get this shape. Oh, shit, I can't see crap. What the hell was it? Oh, shit. Okay, he's going to try and do a trick. Oh, it did. It did a flippy do. Another flippy do. That's pretty cool. You're getting pretty good at those.
There's that one that time.
That's pretty neat. Now get on the landing pad and you'll be a hero. You know, if you get on the landing pad, I'm not going to record this. Oh, missed it. We still haven't gotten on the pad yet.
So we did pretty good. We didn't lose any drones. But just for the record, Ron let the drone go a little wild and it tried to chop his legs off and tried to chop his nuts off. And he cut his finger because the blades cut his finger. And then it went into the grass and decided to mow the lawn and chop down weeds. So, what a great night. I was smoking when it happened, so I didn't record it, but that's the truth.